See children, today now we are going to discuss exercise 1.1. Okay. Before that, what are we have discussed? We have discussed about the numbers, that is the larger number, and how to frame the smallest number, and how to arrange the number, how to compare the number, and how to frame the numbers. That and all we have discussed. So now what we are going to learn now? Now we are going to solve the exercise 1.1, and we also discussed about the numeration. Do you all remember children? We are following two types of numeration, that is Indian system of numeration, one more is international system of numeration, and also we have discussed about the place value chart. Yes, and also we have discussed about how to place the comma. Now tell me, according to Indian system of numeration, how to place the comma? The first place comma will come after 3 digits from the right side, and the next will come after 2 digits, then 2 digits. And the international system, you can place 3 digits, 3 digits and 3 digits. Okay, in that way you can place the commas. So now we are going to do some fill in the blanks. Okay, just look at the board. 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. So how many 10,000s are there in 1 lakh? How many 10,000s are there in 1 lakh? There are 10,000s are there in 1 lakh. 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. So how many 100,000 will make 1 million? How many 100,000 will make 1 million? That is 10. 100,000 will make 1 million. This you should know, you should keep it in mind children. 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakhs. How many 10 lakhs you will make 1 crore? That is 10. If you multiply 10 into 10 lakhs, you will get 1 crore. That is the thing, how to check the answer. You have to multiply this 10 into 10 lakhs, you will get 1 crore. Next, 1 crore is equal to dash million. How many millions will make 1 crore? That is 10 millions. 10 millions will make 1 crore. 1 million is equal to dash lakh. In 1 million, how many lakhs are there? There are 10 lakhs are there. Okay? Yes. So this is about the fill in the blanks. I hope you understood. This is already known to you, but still once recall this. Okay? Move on to the next one. Place the commas. Now what we have to do? We have to place the commas. Before that, what we have to do? We have to write the numeral to this. What we have to do? We have to write the numeral to this. Okay? Yes. I will show you one easy method how to write the numeral without any mistakes. Okay? Yes. For that, what we have to do? We have to draw a rough figure of the place value chart. Okay, see here which system it follows here. Here it is 73 lakh. Lakh is there means it is Indian system. Okay, lakh is there means it is Indian system. If there are millions are there means it is international system. So now let us, what we have to do? We have to draw one rough figure of the place value chart. Okay, let us draw here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay? Yes, this is the place value chart. Now what we will do? We are going to substitute these values in this chart. Okay? In this chart. How? 73 lakh. 73 lakh. Here what they have given? 73 lakh means where I have to write? I have to write here. So crores are there? No, they have not started from the crores. They have started from 73 lakh. So here 73 lakh. Understood? Next, 75,000. So in thousands period you have 75. You have 75,000. 307, that is 307 or 307. This is the numeral. Now to this numeral, we have to place the comma. What we have to do? We have to place the comma. 73 lakh, 75,307. So as I told, the first comma will come after 3 digits from the right. You have to move right to left. Okay. What you have to, how to move right to left. 1, 2, 3. The first comma will come after 3 digit. And then the next comma will come after 2 digit. 1, 2. Okay. Understood now how to place the comma? First comma will come after 2 or 3 digits, then after 2 digits, after 2 digits. This is what according under Indian system. Now you got the answer in numerals? Yes. So let us see the next one. 23 lakh 30,010. What I will do? First I will draw the rough figure of the place value chart. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Yes. So let us go to the question. 23 lakh. So it starts from lakh. Lakh, 10 lakhs. It starts from 10 lakhs. Even here also it starts from 10 lakhs. So 23 lakh. Crores are not there. 23 lakh 30,000. 30,000. 30,000 and 10 is given. Only 10. That means what will come under the hundreds place? 0 will come. In hundreds place, 0 will come. So the numeral is yes. Now I want to place the comma. How can I place the comma? As I said, first comma will come after 3 digits. First comma will come after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. First comma will come here. Then the next comma after 2 digits. 1, 2. Okay? Yes, this is the answer. 23 lakh 30,010. 23 lakh 30,010. Now we understood, children, how to place the comma and how to write the numerals? Yes. So let us move on to the next one. So the third, they have given insert comma suitably and write the number names according to Indian system of numeration. Okay? Third one, insert commas and write the number names according to Indian system. According to Indian system. Okay? Yes. Yes, I'll show you only one example to you so that you can do the remaining yourself. Okay? Yes. So here you see. So here numbers are given. First what I have to do? Simple method. We will draw one place value chart. What we will do? We will draw one place value chart. So here comes the answer. I'm going to draw the place value chart according to Indian system. Okay? According to Indian system. According to Indian system. So here values will come ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Now what we will do? We will place these values on this table. Okay. We will place the values here. So I will go with the last digit. Last digit will come under ones place. Okay. You should not start it from here. Where you have to start? You have to start the last digit from the last side. That is from the ones place. Okay. Last here. 2, 6, 7, 5, 9, 5, 7, 8. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finished? Now let us try to read the number first. Then only we can write the number name to this. Read the first. Read only one digit. 2 in ones place, so it is 2. 6 tens and 2 ones, it becomes 62. Coming to 3 digits, 762. 4 digit, 5762. Read according to the place value, children. Next, 95,762. Okay. Now, lakhs. 5,95,762. 10 lakhs. 75 lakhs 95,762. Next, 8 crores 75 lakh 95,762. In this way we can write the number name. Okay? Yes. Now let us write the number name. How to write? 8 crores 8 crores 75 lakhs 95,762. Okay? Let us write this. 8 crore, comma, 75 lakh, 95,700 762. 762. Okay. They have also asked insert commas. That also we have to do. Okay. Yes. How to place the commas as I said. So first comma will come after 3 digits from the right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. So even in this also in number name also you can place the comma. Where here so 8 crores 1 comma 75 lakh another comma 95,000 one more comma 762. Now we understood how to do. Okay, shall we see the one more question? Okay, let me write here. Fourth question. Insert commas. Insert commas and write the number name according to International System of Numeration. International System of Numeration or International System. Yes. So take the number. Yes. So first, What we will do first here? Look at the board, children. So first, let us draw the place value chart according to international system. Okay, according to international system. Here comes ones, okay, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and 100,000. Keep it in mind. This is according to international system. So here you can't get lakhs, 10 lakhs and all. You will find only 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay, this is according to international system of numeration. What is that? Place value chart. Okay, let us write this number in the chart first. Okay, so we'll go with the last digit will come under ones place, that is 2 9 0 1 2 9 8 7. Okay, yes. So now I have to read the number. How can I read? And I have to read according to international system. Okay, let us see how to read. Go with only one digit. Okay, can you see that one digit? Yes, it is 2. 2 ones is nothing but 2. Coming to 2 digits. 92. 3 digit. 0 is there, so it is 92. Next, 1092. 21,092, 921,092, 8,921,092, 78,921,092. So in that way we have to read. So how to write? Read 78,921,092. Okay? Yes, let us write 78 million 921,000 921,000 92. So now we have to place the commas also. What we have to do? We have to place the comma. As I said, in international system, we have to place the commas after 3 digits. After 3 digits from the right side, right to left. 1, 2, 3, 1 comma. 1, 2, 3, another comma. See, after 3 digits. Here what happened? 3 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. But here it is not like that. 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit. You have to place the comma. Understood the difference now? Yes. So how to read the number? 78,921,092. This is what you have to read the number according to Indian system and according to international system of numeration. Understood, children? Yes. We'll move on to the next topic. Let us learn how to round off the number. So the heading is rounding off or round off. Yes, when we don't want the exact number, we will round off to the nearest tens or hundreds or thousands. That is what we are going to learn now. Okay? Now, first one is nearest tens. Here we are going rounding up to nearest 10, nearest 100, and nearest 1000. Nearest thousands. Okay, let me write some examples. Now what we are going to do, children, here we are going to rounding up of the numbers. What we are doing here, rounding up of the numbers. Okay, that is nearest tens, nearest hundred and nearest thousand. I know that you already studied in 5th standard, but still we are going to recall this again. Okay, yes, nearest tens. So let me write one example. Okay, yes. So now what we are going to do? Now we are going to rounding this number to nearest tens. I will show you in one simple method. Okay, yes. Now we are going to do this to nearest tens. I will write it in numeral 10. So here what we have to do, how to decide this, whether we have to round up or not, so that we have to see the last one digit. What we have to see? We have to see the last one digit and we can make out whether we can round up to the next tens or not. Okay, yes. So now, so we are rounding to nearest 10. You may ask now, why we have to see only one digit, or else how we will come to know we have to see only one digit? Keep it in mind. When we are rounding off to nearest 10, we have to underline only one digit. Last digit we will see and decide whether we have to round up or not. Okay, yes. In 10, 10 is there, so you can underline only one digit. In 100, two digits are two zeros are there. You can round up. You can underline two digits. In 1,000, three zeros are there. You have to see the last three digit, or you have to underline the last three digit. That is what we are keeping in mind. Now, 10. So what we have to do? If the last digit is less than 5, that is less than 5 in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4, we will round off to the 0. Okay, we will round off to the 0. If the last digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we will round off to the tens. We will round off to the tens. Example, here the last digit is 8. 8 is nearest to 10, right? So now what we have to do? First I will write the same number. Okay. Then what I will do? I have to check only the one digit. I will underline. See, keep it in mind. First step is underlining the digit. That is over. In 10, how many digits we have to underline? One digit. After underlining that, I have to strike out the number. What I have to do? I have to strike out the number and I have to write 0 up. This is the second step. What is the second step? I have to strike out the number and I have to write 0 up, top of that number. Okay. Then, this is my second step. What is the first step? First step, I have to underline the numbers. How many digits I want to underline? That many digits I can underline. In tens, I have to underline only one digit. So, that is over. Then second step, strike out that number and write 0 top of that number. Third step, we'll move on to the third step. What I will do? I will write the same number. Instead of this, I will write this number now. This is my third step. What I have to write? In third step, I will write the remaining number with 0. Okay? Remaining number with 0. Now, fourth step. What is the fourth step? In fourth step, I have to check whether the last number is more than 5 or less than 5. If less than 5, I can leave this as it is. I no need to add anything. If it is the last digit is more than 5, I have to add 10 to this. Okay, I have to add 10 to this. See, the last digit is 8. Is it more than 5, children? Yes, it is more than 5. So, I have to add 10 here. What I have to do? I have to add 10. 4,130 plus 10, 4,140. Understood now? Now you will ask, why we have to say 5 or more than 5? Why? Because 5 is half of the 10. We have to take the reference or limit as half of this given number. If it is nearest to 10, we have to take the reference as 5 or more than 5. Nearest 100, half of the 100. What is that? Nearest, 550 or more than 50. If it is 1000, half of the 1000. 500 or more than 500. Yes. So here what I did, I underlined one digit because nearest tens in 10 1 0. So I have to underline 1 0. Then I have to strike out the number. I have to write 0 top of the number. Then I will write the remaining digits with this 0. Then I will check the last digit whether it is 5 or more than 5. If it is more than 5, I will add 10 or else I will write as it is. Understood now? Shall we see the second example now? Yes. Yes. What I'm doing here? Rounding to nearest tens. How many digits I have to underline, children, here? One digit. Because in 10, 1 0. So one digit I have to underline. Everything is there in the question itself, children. Everything is there in the question itself. Just you have to keep it in mind. Nearest 10 means one digit you have to underline, and you have to take half of the 5 as a reference. What is half of the 5? Half of the 10? It is 5. You have to take half of the 10 as a reference. Okay. Now go to the first step. First step is over. I underlined one digit. Go to the second step. What is the second step? I have to strike out the number and I have to write 0 on top of the number. Okay. Yes, I have written. Second step is done. Third step. I will write the number with 0. Okay. Finished. Fourth step. What is the fourth step? I will check whether the underlined number is 5 or more than 5. Here, which is the number I underlined? 4. Is it more than 5, children? No, it is less than 5. Do I need to add 10 here? No, I no need to add 10. So this is the answer. Understood now? So 10. You will ask why we should add 10. If we are in rounding off to nearest 10, we have to add 10. If you are rounding us to nearest 100, we have to add 100. Here we have to add 1000. Keep it in mind. This is what we have to do. Now I hope you understood this. Move on to the nearest 100. Here I'll write one more example. Yes. So 3187. Shall we move on to the procedure now? Yes. Here you only tell me what is the limit I should take here as a reference. What I can take? Half of the 100. What is the half of the 100? 50. Half of the 100 is 50. It is in hundreds. So now first we have to check here. What we have to check? Whether the last two digits are equal to 50 or more than 50 or less than 50. We have to check it out. Move on to the first step. What is the first step? I have to underline the digits. How many digits I have to underline? See the number of zeros in 100. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. That means last two digits I have to underline. Okay? Yes. I'll write the same thing. I have underlined last two digits. After that, what I have to do? Second step, I have to strike out the number and I have to make it as 0, 0. Second step is over. Here, two digits also you have to make it as 0, 0. Third step, I'll write the remaining digits with the 0. Over. Third step. Fourth step, I have to check now whether the last two digits is 50 or more than 50. I can add 100. I can add 100. If it is less than 50, I no need to add 100. I can write as it is. This is itself is the answer. See here, 87. Is it more than 100? More than 50? Yes, this is more than 50. So what I have to do? I have to add 100 to this. Now add 3100 plus 100. So 3200. Answer is 3200. Understood now? Yes. Move on to this example. Tell me how many digits I have to underline here, children? 2 digits. Because in 100, 2 zeros, 2 digits. Last 2 digits. Okay? Yes. What is the next step? Second step? Strike out the number and write 0, 0. Over? Okay. Third step, write the number with the 0. Write the numbers with zeros. Over. Third step. Fourth step, let us check. So what is the underlying digits are here? 11. Is it more than 50, children? Is it more than 50? No, it is less than 50. What we have to do? Do we need to add 100 here? This 100 we have to add? No, because it is less than 50. So we can leave as it is. This is the answer. Understood now? Move on to the nearest 1000. Yes. Yes. So nearest to 1000. In 1000, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. Okay. Yes. What is the number we can take it as reference here? What is the number we have to take it as reference here? Half of the 1000. That is, what is the half of the 1000? 500. So we have to see the underlying digits are equal to 500 or more than 500. We can add 1000. Okay. We can add 1000. If it is less than 500, we no need to add 1000. We can leave as it is. Okay. Yes. Now, first step. What is the first step? Underlining the digits. How many digits I have to underline? 1, 2, 3. How many digits? 3 digits. Last 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Last 3 digits over. First step is over. What is the second step? I have to strike out and write 0 on the top of the number. I have to write 0 on the top of the number. Okay. Third step is I will write the remaining number with that zeros. Okay. Over. Fourth, what I have to do? I will have to check this with this. Right? Yes. If the last 3 digits are 500 or more than 500, I have to add 1000. Otherwise, I have to leave this as it is. Here, the last 3 digits comes to 493. Is it more than 500, children, or is it equal to 500? No, it is not equal to 500. So what I can do? I can leave this as it is. So what is the answer then? 1000 is the answer. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes. 2587. Yes. First step. What is the first step? Underline the number of digits. How many digits do I want to underline? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros, 3 digits. Over. First step is over. What is the second step? Strike out the number and make it as 0, 0. Over. Second step is over. What is the third step? Write the number with the zeros. Over. Now, what is the fourth step? Check the number with the limit. Yes. Here the last 3 digits comes to 587, which is more than 500. Which is more than 500. Now what I have to do? If it is more than 500, I have to add 1000. I have to add 1000. So 2000 plus 1000 is equal to 3000. What is the answer we got here? 3000. This is the answer. Understood, children, how to rounding off the numbers? Yes. So we'll move on to the next topic. Next topic is estimate the sum or difference. By rounding off to 100. Estimate the sum or difference by rounding off to the nearest hundreds. So here 2 sums they will give. Yes. So now look at the board. What we have to do? Estimate the sum or difference by rounding off to the nearest hundreds. So now we are going to learn how to estimate the answer, addition's answer or subtraction's answer. How? By doing the rounding off to the given addends. Okay? Yes. So first we will round off these two. Then we can add. So we will round off these two. Yes, we have to rounding off to the nearest 100. Okay, 100. How many zeros are there in 100? Two zeros. So underline two digits everywhere. Okay, in the both the case. Two digits underline. After that, what we have to do? Strike out. Then write 0 on the top of the number. Okay, yes. Then what we have to do? Write the numbers with the zeros. Now what we have to do? We have to check. What we have to check? Whether the last two digits are equal to 50 or less than 50 or more than 50. If it is more than 50, you can add 100. If it is less than 50, you can leave this as it is. See here, the last two digits comes to 38. Is it more than 50, children? No, it is less than 50. Then do I need to add 100 here? No, I no need to add 100. I can write as it is. See here, last two digits comes to 11. Is it more than 50, children? No, it is less than 50. Do I need to add 100 then? No, I no need to add 100. Now let us find the sum. 700 plus 600. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 6, 13. This is the sum. Understood now? Yes, let us see how to find out the difference. Before that, let us round off this to nearest 100. Okay? Yes. So, let us underline the two digits, last two digits, and strike out the numbers. Write the zeros on the top of the numbers and write the remaining digits with the zeros. Now let us check whether the two digits comes to more than 50 or less than 50. 225, is it more than 50, children? It is less than 50. So what we have to do? We have to add anything here? No, we can leave as it is. Here, 33, is it more than 50, children? It is less than 50 again. Do we need to add 100? No, we no need to add 100. So we can write as it is. So 700 minus 200. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 2, 5. So what is the answer? 500. That is the difference. Now you understood, children? I hope you understood this. Okay? Yes. Let us move on to the last topic of the lesson, Roman numerals. Okay? The last topic of this lesson, Roman numerals. Yes. What is this Roman numerals? These are nothing but symbols. These are nothing but symbols. Using 7 symbols, we can frame the Roman numerals. We are writing the Roman numerals. What is that? There are only 7 symbols in Roman numerals. There are only 7 symbols in Roman numerals. There are only 7 symbols in Roman numerals. And there is no symbol for 0. There is no symbol for 0. There is no symbol for 0. And we can repeat the symbols up to 3 times. Maximum up to 3 times. Can repeat the symbol up to 3 times. Up to 3 times. And repetition is nothing but addition. Repetition means addition. Then some of the symbols won't repeat. Which all those? V, L and D cannot be repeated. Cannot be repeated. This is the basic things about the Roman numerals. How many symbols are there in Roman numerals? There are 7 symbols. How many symbols are there in Roman numerals, children? There are 7 symbols and there is no symbol for 0. There is no symbol for 0. And you can repeat the symbol maximum number of 3 times. Okay, you can repeat the symbol maximum number of 3 times. Repetition is nothing but addition. Repetition means addition. And out of 7 symbols, 3 symbols never be repeated. 3 symbols never be repeated. That is VLD. This is already known to you, right? Yes. So let us see which of that 7 symbols. Yes. 7 symbols. 7 symbols of Roman numerals. They are yes, these are the 7 symbols. We'll write I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 symbols. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. What is that? I stands for value 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500, M is 1000. These are the 7 basic symbols. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. You have to learn this symbol, okay? This is very important. Let us see the first 10 basics Roman numerals. Here comes the Roman numerals and here it comes the Indo-Arabic numerals. Okay, Roman numerals and Indo-Arabic numerals. So let us write the Roman numerals. I means 1, I 2, I 3, V 4, V 5, VI 6, VII 7, Indo-Arabic numerals, VIII 8, IX 9, X is 10. These are the basic Roman numerals. Okay, these are the basic Roman numerals. Okay, 1 to 10. You must know this. And here, see here, some more rules are there. What is that? Repetition means addition. Repetition means addition. Can you see here? Here it is added I 3 times. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. And see here, IV. If we are writing the smallest number before the largest number, that means we have to subtract the value of small number from the largest number. Understood? If we are writing the smallest number before the largest number, we have to subtract the value of the smallest number from the largest number. What is the value of I? It is 1. What is the value of V? 5. So from 5 we will minus the value of 1, so that we will get here 4. 5 minus 1, 4. Understood? Suppose if we are writing, how to write 11? Xi. If we are writing the smallest number after the largest number, that means we have to add the values. How? What is the value of X? 10. What is the value of I? 1. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Understood now? What we have to, if we are writing the smallest number before the largest number, we have to subtract the value. If we are writing the greatest number first and then we are writing the smallest number, that means we have to add the value. Or if we are writing the smallest number after the greatest number, we have to add the values. Understood now? Yes. So let us see how to form the numbers. For that, let us write the 10, 20, how to write it in Roman numerals. Okay, 10, this is 10, 20, 30, 40. So that is XL means 40, L is 50, LX is 60, LXX is 70, LXXX is 80, XC is 90, C is 100. Okay. Yes, this is what the another basic Roman numerals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. And we can write the 100, 200 also. How we can write the 100, 200? C stands for 100, double C is 200, C is 300. Okay. CD is 400. Why we are writing CD here? Why can't we write C 4 times? No, we cannot write C 4 times. We can write up to 3 times. If you are written like this is the wrong. Okay, CD. Here we are writing the C before the larger number. That means we have to minus the value. What is the value of D? 500. Then 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. Okay. Yes. What is 500? D is 500. Okay. DC 600. DCC 700. DCCC 800. And how to write 900? CM. Okay, we have to write CM. That is 900. And M stands for 1000. M stands for 1000. This is the way we can write the 100s, 200s, 300s and all. Understood now? What we have to do? We have to add the values. 500 plus 100 plus 100, 700. 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100, 800. 100 minus 1000 is equal to 900. Understood now how to write? I hope you understood this. Thank you, children.